I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tiki drink called the Halekulani. So the Halekulani is a cocktail that's one of those bourbon drinks like the paper plane that's super light and refreshing. It was made in the House Without a Key bar at the Halekulani Resort in Waikiki. It's actually super light and refreshing and will get you hooked even if you're not into tiki cocktails. I highly recommend checking out the book I found it in called Tiki, Modern Tropical Cocktails by Shannon Mustipher. She's a bar director of a tiki bar in Brooklyn, and everything I've tried in that book so far is just amazing. So I'm gonna start off with some pineapple juice. We need a half of an ounce. Next up, a half ounce of lemon juice. A half ounce of orange juice, freshly squeezed. Half an ounce of Demerara Syrup, which is just sugar in the raw as a simple syrup, so 1:1 sugar in the raw and hot water. I actually had some grenadine prepared that has ginger and blueberry in it. You can see how I made that right here. And really the recipe calls for regular grenadine, but I'm gonna use my special blueberry ginger grenadine. 1 bar spoon. This recipe calls for Overproof Bourbon. In the book by Shannon Mustipher, she recommends getting Old Grandad 114 or Booker's, but I'm gonna use Fighting Cock because it tastes really good in this drink. It has like strong caramel notes. It's a great price point. It's 51.5% alcohol by volume, and you know, it's just fun to say Fighting Cock. So, can't use that as a hashtag though. 1.5 ounces of Fighting Cock bourbon or whatever overproof bourbon you're willing to use. Alright, I'm just gonna add some ice to the shaker tin and then give it a little rough and tumble. Now I'm gonna just double strain this in a coupe glass. The book recommends that you do a dehydrated pineapple and a dehydrated citrus wheel. I don't have that, but I do have oranges. Woo! So I'm just gonna add a little touch of an orange peel. Make that into a little twist and just kind of drop it in the drink. That is delicious. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. It is so refreshing and light. It's sweet, but not in like a syrupy way. Super light for a bourbon cocktail. And that's why I love it, because I can't get enough of bourbon. And it's not like you want to drink a thick, syrupy, old-fashioned in the summertime. When it's hot, you want something to cool you down, but bourbon's your liquor. That's where this comes in. The mix of the fruit juices with the bitters, the Demerara frothing with the pineapple. It's just like full-bodied, but it isn't thick to drink. It actually is very light. It's really coming through with the orange. The grenadine just adds a little kick, a little pop. I'm Sammy, this was Bar Under the Stairs. This is the Halekulani drink from Waikiki Resort. It is thebomb.com. Check it out. Please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment and let us know what other tiki drinks you want to see being made, and we'll do our best to accommodate.